You see it?
No. Now I could see it.
Okay, let's start. Say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Read without spelling.
A, I, U. Ba, bi, bu. Ta, ti, tu. Sa, si, su. Ja, ji, ju. Ha, he, who.
Very
Ka, he, who. Za, da, di, du. Could I read now?
Yes.
It is. I know it. Zal, zabar, za.
Shabash. Then
Za, there.
Z. Shabash. Join sounds.
Za, zi.
Then
Za, pesh, zu.
Zal. Pish. Zu.
Zal, pesh, zu.
Join sounds.
Za, zi, zu.
Good. Next. Wallah, read it.
Ra,
Oh, shabash. Read.
ra, ra, zabar, ra.
Good. Then
Ra, zabar, ra.
Razir.
Ra, zer. Ra, zer. Re.
Re. Very good. Join all the sounds.
Ra, re, ru.
Good. Join all the sounds here as well. Just read
Okay.
without spell.
That sounds. Let me just read it because I forgot this one. Za, zi, zu.
Good. This one.
The sound. Sa, si, su.
Good.
Is the last one the new letter?
No. Today, if you've done this whole page, then inshallah we'll move on the newer page.
Okay. Okay. What is this one? Seems a bit. Sha.
Is it seen?
As. Shin.
Yes. Sheen Zabar.
Shin, zabar, sha.
Then
Sha, shi, shu.
this one.
Um.
Spell from here.
The word zabar.
Wallah, read it.
Swat.
Yes, read.
What's Su.
Swat zabar what?
Su.
No, swat pesh will be su. Swat zabar. Sin zabar sa. Sheen zabar sha. Then swat zabar.
So.
Sa. See again.
Swat double so.
Good. Next.
Swat there. C.
See. Good. Join sounds.
Sa. C.
Good. Then.
Swat pesh su.
Good. Join all the sounds.
Sa. C. Su.
Good. Now spell it.
What? What? 1 7. Do.
Dot zabar do.
What double do.
If you forget it again, then I won't be able to bring you the next page. You know that.
Okay.
Read again. Dot
Can you
zabar.
repeat?
Yes.
Do.
Read. Do.
What double do.
Good. Then.
What there. The.
Good. Join the sounds.
Da. The.
Do. Do. Read it boldly.
Da. The.
Then.
What pesh do.
Good. Join the sounds.
Da. The. Do.
This one.
Do. I mean da.
Mm.
Zabar. Do.
To. See again.
Do. Zabar do.
The next.
Do. There. Do. Not do. Do.
For there.
Mm-hmm.
What's the sound? To there.
Does
Three.
D.
Say again.
Do.
To the three.
Does D.
Join sounds.
Do. D.
Then
Do.
read to fish.
Do is do.
Join sounds.
Do. D. Do.
Next.
Do. Zabar. Do.
Good. Then
Do. There. Do.
Zozer.
There. Z.
Join sounds.
The. Z.
Then
The is do.
join sounds.
The. Z.
Then zo. Ze. Zo.
The. Z. Zoo.
Next.
Are
Spell it.
you spell it? Marine. Re.
Ain zabar what?
Ain zabar.
What's the sound?
That's tricky.
It's very easy. What was the sound of Hamza zabar?
Hamza zabar. Ah.
Then Ain zabar?
Ain zabar. Ah.
Yeah, just the difference is that you need to pronounce it from middle
Middle.
throat. Say it.
Ain zabar. Ah.
Say again.
Ain zabar. Ah.
Ara.
Ara.
Then
Ain zer. Is it same as Hamza zabar?
Hamza zid.
Hamza zer.
What was the sound?
Um.
Hamza zabar ah. Hamza zid.
Hamza zer. E.
E. So Ain zid.
Re.
Ari. Say again. Ain zid.
Ain zer. Ari.
Good. Join sounds.
Ara. Ari.
Then Ain pesh.
Ari. Pesh. Aru.
Join sounds.
Ara. Ari. Aru.
Good. So do you want to go on the next page?
No.
Why?
Because
There's
I,
bit mistakes.